All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So near, near, close to. Yeah, I am near the entrance. Are you near the wall? I am near the window. Yeah, a window. Yeah. Do you think they are near here? Well, the camera is near the plant. I am near them. I'm near them. How cool is that? Yeah. She was near there last night. Yeah. We were near the forest yesterday. I was near to the hills on my bike. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I am near the flower. Yes, indeed, I am near the flower. Yeah. I will be near them soon. I am near the house now. Do you think they are near to us now? Maybe. Maybe not, yeah. I am near the end of my book. Yeah, nearly finished. How cool is that? Yeah, so near, so really close. Yeah, I am near the camera. So, can you use near in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.